Hello everyone, I'm just doing a review on this EASYTONE backlit mini wireless keyboard with touchpad mouse combo. It works with Android TV box, PS3, Xbox, smartphone, tablet, Mac. Works with Linux. It also works with your desktop, like a PC desktop, a laptop, and I'm going to demonstrate on 2 or 3 devices here. I just want to tell you that it comes with this USB dongle that I'm pointing at here. Okay, and you would find that in the compartment where the battery is behind it. And the way to turn it on is there's a switch just behind here. You turn that on, and then you could also make it work with. Let me just turn it on. Okay, it's backlit. Nice blue color. You could also change the color. And it's a keyboard like any other keyboard with all the functions and everything. Page up, page down, you know, everything. It's got pretty much, you can do everything on it. It really comes in handy. So we're here on Linux, on my Linux desktop. So I put the dongle in to the USB, and okay, here's the keyboard, and here I am maneuvering the mouse using the trackpad. Okay, I'm going to click on here with the trackpad by clicking twice on this. And there we are. Bang. This is Linux. It works on Linux. Here we are on my Windows desktop. Just going to try it. And I'm moving the mouse. Okay, then I'm going to click on Chrome by clicking twice. And there we are. Click out. It works. Works well on desktop. Okay, here's the box. I have it plugged into my Android box, my T95 Android box. And let's see it work here. There's the cursor moving around. Okay. It works. Works on all devices that it says it does. So I would say this is really good for the Android boxes and PCs. You need an adapter for a phone. I don't have an adapter for a phone. I couldn't try it on the phone for you guys, but it works really well, believe it or not. So you can buy this at Amazon for about $15. This one was $15. There's also other ones there that you can buy, but this one is really good. I hope you try it. Thank you for watching my video. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.